our first treat. Doing sprinkles.
Go for it, first bite. Time to get that, guys. Yeah, how is it?
Look at these goosebumps right here. I got real life goosebumps. Can you see that? Alright, you know. So we just got our Pizza Hut. Pizza! So we're gonna go eat pizza and grub and eat all of our food in the house. I mean in the hotel, whatever. Same thing, we're gonna eat all of it. Okay, maybe not all, but a lot of it. Alright, we're about to take our first few bites of actual food. Not
It's been so long for me.
It's
been so long.
Alright, here we go. Take your slice.
Take my slice.
Ready? Uno, dos, tres.
Mmm. Wow.
Like that.
Goosebumps.
I'm telling you, every time, goosebumps.
That's so crazy.
Mmm.
Where's the abs?
I'm getting goosebumps. Life is good now.
Life is good.
I eat pizza every single day.
We're gonna get fat today.
Fat, 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 fat. And now, shout out to my mom. She brought us homemade mac and cheese. Thank you, Mama. Thank you. So good. It's literally like, it should be famous. She makes with like Velveeta cheese. I guess I shouldn't share all her secrets, but Velveeta cheese. And she asked what kind of pasta I wanted, so I asked for bow tie. Delicious! So worth it. So worth waiting like 6 months to eat mac and cheese. All right. Christian said he's never had a Twinkie before, so this is going to be our next little snack. All right, these are what they look like.
Cool.
Here's this. And one for me. So why not? Cheers.
This is where not bad.
This is the #1 thing that I have been craving since we've been on this diet.
What do you crave the most?
Ben & Jerry's half-baked ice cream.
Oh my god.
Is this Ben & Jerry's half-baked ice cream. It's a must. So
there's fudge brownies in it.
Yes, there's fudge brownies, cookie dough, chocolate ice cream, and vanilla ice cream. Whew.
Hold on. Cheers.
A giant bite over here, right?
So good.
Yep, that's what I wanted. So I literally feel like I'm gonna die. I ate way too much, and I didn't even eat that much. They're laughing at me.
Drunk off of sugar.
We bought too much food. Oh no. We barely ate. Oh my gosh. So I'm gonna shower now and take all of this off. I'm gonna take off this makeup and look like 5 shades, 10 shades lighter. Alright, that's the first layer. Ta-da! I'm like, I think I'm like 10 shades lighter now. So I think I might have broken my vlog camera. So we're gonna just film on my phone. Oh no. But we got breakfast here. We had donuts, we ate ice cream, Pop-Tarts, Fritos, mac and cheese. That's what we had for breakfast. So it was a good morning for sure. Now we're heading out of the hotel. We have to pack up. We have so much stuff, literally everywhere. So much food that we didn't eat. But you know, we're not gonna talk about that. And yeah, so we're gonna head out. We're gonna go probably get the boys some Chipotle and then go home and then go grocery shopping because I'm free to eat whatever I want. So I get to experiment with new healthy foods. But enjoy the rest of the day, you know, eating junk food.
And look at all of this luggage. Gonna be super heavy to push. If only we had some bodybuilders to help us. LeAnn's a bodybuilder. She can do it.
Wow, I look so crazy. Okay, wait. Maybe not. It's fine. Trophies?
Hands falling
Food.
down.
Oh, that's real cute.
Hands falling down.
But yeah, this is everything.
Oh dear.
Let's go, boys.
Ah.
How many
There you go.
men does it take to get a cart through the door? This has been real fun. Oh no, I almost forgot my shampoo. I think we are good. And I was just talking about how my pants fit now.
Wow.
And I just ate a whole bunch and they still fit. So that's super exciting. On the move.
Oh my
Wow, the lighting is great.
God. Great. Lost my bag.
Man down.
Man down, man down.
And the ratchet nail polish. It's slightly stained and glittery.
Glitter.
You're orange. Dude, my feet actually are orange.
Woo!
They see me rolling. They hate it.
Oh God.
Thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel if you're new. All my social media will be down below in the description box, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.